Can AI replace lawyers' debate has leveled up globally, with the first ever fully artificially intelligent law firm, Garfield AI, winning its first case in the United Kingdom, litigating for a freelancer in a case worth £7,000, approximately rupees 8.8 lakh. Welcome to The Print. I am Ruchi Bhattar, here to tell you more about the chatbot firm, how it was involved in the case, and the final win itself. The legal profession across the globe, which is constantly anxious over the regulation and use of AI in it, now has seen this case concerning unpaid fees owed to TC Takwidir, a freelancer who had provided HR related services to a hospitality business service. The AI firm, of course, has human interactions involved in form of prompts and ideas, counter ideas, and even dealing with AI hallucinations. However, this marks a significant step in the road ahead where a chatbot has helped win a courtroom battle against human lawyers. The chatbot firm, founded in 2023, co-founded by former city litigator Philip Young and quantum physicist Daniel Long, authorized by the Solicitors Regulation Authority in April last year, and can be used to make civil claims from £30 to up to £10,000, prepared the case, and then hired a human barrister to advocate for the client in court. Garfield AI independently drafted 4 witness statements, case bundles, and all legal arguments to represent Takwidir. Most importantly, it defeated a counterclaim and won the case against human opponents. The dispute involved freelance HR consultant Takwidir, who, after attempts to resolve her fee issue with her employer, turned to the Garfield's platform to draft her pre action letters and issue proceedings. When the defendant responded with a counterclaim and instructed solicitors, the case went to trial. Garfield's technology handled the bulk of the work throughout, from document disclosure to witness statements and even trial preparation. The firm then instructed a human barrister, one Essex Court's Dominic Lee, to present the case in court. Many international news websites reported on the details of it. Takwidir instructed the chatbot to draft legal letters and submit her case before a 3-hour trial at Wandsworth County Court, which involved 7 separate witnesses, reported The Telegraph. The Irish legal news website reported on how, following a 3-hour hearing in May, the court ruled entirely in the freelancer's favor and dismissed a counterclaim by the defendant. CEO and co founder of the firm, Young, posted on LinkedIn where he said Garfield AI has won its first trial and against a firm of human solicitors who instructed the counsel. It wasn't a simple small claim trial either, he said, not a 1 hour hearing followed by an extempore judgment, but rather a 3 hour trial with numerous witnesses, extensive cross examination, and then a reserved judgment. Garfield's user not only won her claim but defeated the defendant's counterclaim, Young posted. He also said that this is the first ever trial won by an AI lawyer against human opposition anywhere ever. According to him, it's the dawn of a new age of access to justice. Barrister Dominic Lee, who represented the claimant in court, told The Guardian how the experience showed him that while AI can help in preparing the case at a fraction of a cost, the advocacy that wins a contested trial is still done by a human on their feet in court. Daniel Long, CTO and co founder of Garfield AI, posted on social media about it, where he said that the case shows what legal AI can do in real world. And it's not about the gimmicks or replacing lawyers, but about giving people and businesses the tools to enforce their rights when the traditional route would be too slow, too costly, or too complex. He said that this trial win is an important proof point that regulated AI powered legal services can help real people recover real money through the courts. The firm says it has now processed more than 600 claims and recovered around £500,000 for clients with claim values ranging from £30 to £10,000. With that, thank you for tuning in.